What's happening, everyone? Got another reset for you today. Today we are doing a Vortex HD65 Select. So if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a heads up, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you got anything important on here, it will be deleted. Just keep that notated. And if you haven't yet, guys, if you guys could follow, share, subscribe, we'd appreciate that. We got a ton more videos coming on hard resets and teardowns, so just keep an eye open for that. But otherwise, let's get into that. Let's with the phone off, and looks like this is off. You can either pull the battery or just power it off. In this case, it's already off. Perfect. So what we want to do is hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time. You have volume up, volume down, and power. So we'll hold volume up and power. And this just pulls almost immediately into the reset menu. Your volume up is the scroll, and volume down is select, so we'll hit volume down on recovery. And the phone gets to this no command screen, and from here to get out of this, the actual reset, you want to hit power and volume up at the same time. I just hold power and tap volume up really quick and then let go really quick. That way I don't activate this reboot by mistake. The volume buttons will scroll, the power button will select, so we'll scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, then confirm. And it's been reset, so now we can either reboot, power off, or do another reset again if we wanted to, but we'll just reboot it. And that is how you do a hard reset on Vortex HD65 Select. Thanks for watching, guys. If you can, like, share, subscribe, all that great stuff. We'd appreciate it. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one.